Now, I would like to share with you one of my most challenging establishments. Good afternoon. I wanted to come and share with you a portion of a lock journey. Before I do that though, I want to say thank you to my subscribers for your wonderful comments, for just interacting with me, subscribing to my channel, sharing my videos and liking my videos. I want you to continue to do that because I appreciate it very much. And if you are someone watching this video right now and you have not subscribed to this channel, come on, join the Gene G family. Click on that subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll know every time I upload a video. Now, I would like to share with you one of my most challenging establishments. This young lady came to me and she wanted Sisterlocks, and she had her information down packed. We had a wonderful consultation. I put in her test locks and I couldn't place the test locks where I would normally place it because there was no hair there. So I did give her test locks. Now, by the time she came back to me to have her establishment completed, she had taken them out. Why? Because she said she wanted to know how easy they would be to be removed. That was one of the first things that I realized about her that would be a challenge. But we overcame that challenge, and it was the parting of the hair that was a challenge. But then I just used the Sisterlock guidelines to do it. And you'll see why I'm saying that it was a challenge when you take a look at her hair. Yes, you will. This is Sisterlocks on a tapered haircut. We did it, and now we are at the 1 year mark, and she has hair where she didn't have hair before. Take a look and tell me what you think. Have a great day. Okay. Girl, I remember when nothing was here. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Okay. You know I turn my camera on so that you can say what you said about your hair, because I remember when we discussed your hair in the very beginning and what your plans probably were for your hair. Mm-hmm. And so now you walk in here and it looks like you hadn't been to the barber in a bit. Yep. So you're considering letting that grow?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna let it grow out.
And then we're gonna add locks?
Can we?
As it grows, yes. As long as when it gets long
Oh, I'm
enough,
thinking
but
you're talking about extensions.
no, I am not talking about extensions. And I do remember you mentioning that too. No, I am not talking about extensions.
Yeah, so we can add locks as we go.
Okay.
That's fine.
Great. I'm just amazed at what I'm having to do back here in the back where we had very little hair.
Little to nothing.
Little to nothing, exactly. And now, girl,
I want
the
to
back is,
there's one of them is my soft spot, which I think why it kept falling out.
your soft spot?
Yeah, like, cause it's one back here that's really, really soft. I can't find it, but it's soft. Like, almost like thin. So I was like, well, maybe that's why it never grew.
Okay.
Thin and brittle.
Mm-hmm. But it's growing. It has grown a lot. Yeah. So has this been an easy journey for you?
Mm-hmm. All I had to keep it from going together, I just went through and twisted it.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure you probably thought that it was gonna be like stuck together or something.
No, you pretty much took care of your hair throughout the duration. So how long has it been now that your hair's been locked? Because I don't remember when.
October make a year.
October.
Well, this is a year, so like October the 11th, I think.
Okay, so you're almost at your year mark. And as a matter, it looks like the back of your hair is really catching up with the front.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah.
I said now the back is growing really, really fast.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. I'm about to find the picture I first had. Oh, I don't think I got it.
You don't think you have it?
The first picture. This was in, this say October 14th. Well, this kind of looks like it, because there's nothing right here.
Mm-hmm. So you only had one side, one view?
Yeah, you can tell it wasn't nothing back there, really.
Okay, all right.
I don't know, maybe you had the picture. I took a picture of it there. That's how the back looked right there.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Yeah, because you sent it to me after you visited the barber shop.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, there it is. That's what it looked like.
Okay. Yes.
Nothing.
Yeah.
That looked horrible.
It wasn't horrible. It's what you had. And we made it work. And then it started growing like a weed. And you're doing well.
So that was October 14th.
Mm-hmm. So I'm going to post this video.
Actually, I think it was like before then.
You think it was before? No, I don't know if it was. Did you have a date? Because I remember when you came for your consultation, I was still working at home. You were supposed to get your hair done, but then you wanted to go on vacation first with your family. Because you were going to be in the water and you didn't want any issues.
That was the second time.
The second time?
Because that's in November. Yep, that was in November. But
okay, so I'll check.
Well, yeah.
To see when you
I'm going to go on Instagram.
Were established. And I will let you know. Mm-hmm.